Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to use Ask Someone Else to Pay feature on Google Play Store. So let's check it out. Google or Google Play Store might change the steps for doing all this. If the options look different when you're watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. If you have kids or if you are helping out your friends, then whenever they want to buy a paid app or game on Google Play Store, you can make the payment on your phone for them. They just need to share the payment link with you. We will see how to do that now. I'm going to show this demo by using two of our Google or Google Play Store accounts. We don't have two phones right now, so we are doing this. We are going to generate the payment link on account number 1 and open that link on account number 2, then make the payment. So I'm going to use the account number 1 to buy a paid app. We can see the account logo here. I'm going to buy this app, FTP Wi-Fi Pro, this app. So we can see that here. This is a paid app. So we can select this. We will get the payment options. We can select more, and at the bottom we will have this ask someone else to pay. We can select this. So we have to keep these points in mind. The person paying needs to know your full email address. You can share your email address with that person. They can see the item that you are purchasing and can request a refund, and link expires after 24 hours. So we have to keep all this in mind. Now we can select share payment link. So this will generate a payment link. We can copy this and keep it ready. So this is how the payment link will look. We can see the app name, app amount, and the payment link. So you can share this with any of your friends or family and they can make the payment for you. I'll show how to do this on another Google account. So as you can see, I changed our Google Play Store Google account here. So I'm going to go to this link and open this. Open link. So we will get like this. Someone requested that you buy this item for them. So we can confirm all this and select continue. So we have to enter the email address of that person for whom you are buying. I'll enter that now. So after entering the email address, select next. And now we can confirm the amount and we can buy it. I'm going to use my Google Play balance here. We can also select other payment options by clicking this. So we can select buy now. So we have to do this verification, processing. That's all. Payment successful. So we bought this app now. Now I went back to my first Google Play Store account and I'm going to search for that same app. And as you can see, I'm getting the option to open the app. That's all. These are the steps to use Ask Someone Else to Pay feature on Google Play Store. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.